In this video, I will show you how to use AcuDose, an automatic syrup dispensing cap for children for the solution vitamin D3 oral solution that is used for children under 2 years old. Okay, this will strengthen the bones, and I will show you how to use this syrup. So first open, and this syrup bottle came along with a specialized cap that can able to automatically calculate the syrup dose. I will show how to use this cap now. So this is the cap and this is the syrup bottle. So this is the syrup bottle. Okay, so vitamin D3 solution. I hope you can see it clearly. So keep the bottle here. Then what we have to do? So first shake the syrup bottle before using, and this is a glass bottle, so be careful. It's not plastic, it's a glass bottle. Okay, so remove the seal, remove the actual cap of the bottle. So I have removed it. Okay, then take the special dispenser cap, remove the seal from this cap. There is a seal here, see here. So I was removing this seal, so I broke the seal now. So remove the seal of this cap. Alright, then place it, just twist it here, so it was tightly fitted here, right? So this is how you will place the cap. Upon placing the cap, what you need to do is, you turn the cap upside down. Here you can clearly see 5 ml. Here you can see 5 ml here. Can you able to see 5 ml? So there is 5 ml mark here. After seeing the 5 ml mark, turn upside down. See up to the liquid coming up to the 5 ml mark. So I got 5 ml liquid automatically and it stopped there. Okay. Then turn upside down. So now you got 5 ml liquid. Got it? You got 5 ml liquid. Then remove the cap and feed to the child. So now I will show how to feed it to the child. So now I got an accurate 5 ml dosage. Now you can feed it to the child directly. Michael, come on. So this is 5 ml dose. Michael, see here. So this is an accurate 5 ml dose. So I have given 5 ml dose, and this is how you can